Hey there! Do you want to learn all about the ways to protect the worksheet or a workbook in MS Excel, that too with an example? If yes, then this video is absolutely for you. Do watch it without the fail. In this video, I'm going to show you another feature which will enable you to protect the structure of a workbook inside of Microsoft Excel. I'll take you through the complete steps of protecting them for you from scratch. And all this has been done using a very simple data which will be very easy to recreate and understand. You can easily get this exercise file downloaded in your system using the link provided in the description of this video. So go ahead, watch this complete video, practice this concept in the exercise file provided to you and become the master of it. Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is session number 136 and we are learning the protection feature in Microsoft Excel. Alright, so let's start. So Microsoft Excel actually has a couple of different layers of protection that you can add to a content, right? Earlier we took a look at protecting specific cells within a worksheet, couple of steps you got to go through. If you have missed watching that video, I provide the link here, you can go ahead and watch that. Now, I want to show off how you can protect an entire workbook, how you can protect the structure of the workbook. Not really the contents necessarily within the workbook, but the structure of the workbook. Let's think about this. Inside of this example file that I have open in front of you, I've got the worksheet called the watch window. And on this worksheet, I have got a cell B2, right? Has a simple little formula in it, nothing big, but this formula references another worksheet. Right? It references it by its name, formula auditing, right there. What happens if somebody renames that worksheet or delete that worksheet? What if you had multiple formulas that referenced multiple worksheets and then you got people there who are messing up all around with the worksheets, their names or deleting them, right? Now, what happens to your formulas? They are now broken because that data is gone. It's missing. Can't find it, right? Let's take a look at a feature here called Protect Workbook, and this will be a really simple feature. Take a look. So I'm going to go to my review tab. I'm going to go to the protect section, and just to the right of the protect sheet you have got the option called protect workbook. I'll give that a click. Now inside of 2013 and 2016 you will get a single option here, structure. But if you are in 2010 of Excel or earlier version, then you will also get Windows. It's lesser of the two, it's the lesser used option. I'm in Office 365, so it's not an option for me here. Now I'm going to keep the structure turned on, and I'll put the password here just for the demonstration. I'll use the password as my password. I'll hit OK. It's asking me to confirm the password. Make sure you don't lose this. Caution, right? If you lose or forget the password, it cannot be recovered. So I'll just re-enter my password and I'll hit my OK. And so now I have protected the workbook structure. Now what did we do, right? Looks like I did very much right, but I don't see any impact. Take a look. Now typically if I come down to the worksheet tab, if I want to rename this, I'll give it a double click, click, and it says, hey, workbook protected and cannot be changed, right? If I right click on the tab, what I could use to do is add worksheet, delete worksheet, rename worksheet, move worksheet, but I can't do anything of that right now, right? I'm now protecting the structure of the workbook itself. So this will ensure that people are not renaming, deleting stuff that I need within this workbook. So that means that you have nailed it down. It's final sheet, right? Don't touch it, right? Hands off. There's the data. You can work with the data, but don't change the structure. So one button press, it's up on your review tab, protect the workbook, and you're done. That's simple, right? Now if you want to reverse the process, right, like I want to rebuild something, I want to get back in there and add new worksheet or rename stuff and modify formula, well, great, no problem. As long as you have the password, you don't have any problem. You don't have to worry about that. So back to the review, I'll click on the protect workbook. Got to have the password, drop that password in there. I have now unprotected the workbook. If I now right click on the tab, I can now do all those standard operations. So a couple of levels, right? You can protect the sheet itself, the specific cell, and in this case you can protect the structure of a workbook. So try this out. One button press, get your password in there, Don't forget the password and protect your workbook. So that's what I wanted to share with you today. Hope this will help you in the future job with Excel. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really like this video and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon and select it to all to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of this video. So see you in the next session. Till then, stay safe, have a great life, and take very good care of yourself.